To listen to your voicemail messages, click the Messages and Calls tab. From here, you can listen to and/or view a transcription of new voice messages, faxes, and deleted messages. To save a copy of the message on your computer, right-click and select Save Target As or Save Link As. You can record and send a voicemail as a response to callers that support voicemail replies. You can also forward voicemails if they are not marked as private. If you wish to forward a voicemail to another user that supports voicemail replies, you can forward the message as a voicemail. Otherwise, you can forward the voicemail as an email to one or more email addresses. The voicemail will be attached to the email as a WAV file. This feature also enables you to leave voicemails for other users of this voicemail system by recording and sending a message through this website rather than phoning them. You can also record a single message in this way to be left for multiple users rather than phoning them each individually.